Disaster has struck. Disaster has struck. Hey, honey. What do you want to do tonight? You want to go camping? Huh? Well, you want to go camping? Definitely not ready to go camping. Oh, here's our pile of... Yeah. Oh! She's sneezy. It's all going with us! Yeah. There's more to get. We gotta go upstairs. Huh. Okay. The dome tent we could sleep in. We have a really small tent. And we have the Gazelle.
That's the best one.
I think we're doing the Gazelle tonight. It's been a very long time. This thing's pretty cool. And very heavy.
Hello, we are going to DG right now. Dollar General, for those of you who are not familiar with the store.
The cool slang for Dollar General.
Yep, and then we're gonna go set up and camp and have some chili. Oh, did you get the hot dogs?
Nope.
Nope. We're gonna have some chili with cheese and Fritos and sour cream and mountain pies.
I'm sure Dollar General has hot dogs.
Alright. Probably not the brand that you prefer.
We'll make it work.
That's fine. I'll just have chili.
So after my last traumatic camping experience, where I almost got blown away in a storm in the middle, or not the middle of the night, early morning. Yeah, that was an adventure. That was something that I did.
Trash bag camping.
Trash bag camping. That is not the goal for today.
No, we have an actual gazebo tent.
It's pretty cool. It's like a pop-up gazebo. It's got like these Velcro panels you stick on the sides. We've camped in it before. It does a fantastic job. It's comfortable. It's spacious. We're glamping tonight. I want a relaxing camping experience. We're going to work on a puzzle.
We have Uno. We have giant Uno cards.
We have enormous Uno cards. It's just going to be a right jolly good time. I don't understand how these things have a reputation for being reliable.
Our two Jeeps have had nothing but problems.
But at the same time, oddly enough, these are my two favorite vehicles I've ever owned. I don't understand it. It's a Jeep thing. You don't have to understand it, you just accept it.
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna take a nap in the hammock under the shade of the trees with a blanket.
That sounds like fun.
Sounds really relaxing.
I can put the sleeping bag in there for you.
Yes, yes, please. That sounds like it would
And
be
then
so nice.
it can just lay open and I'll zip you up.
Okay, sounds fantastic.
I'll even swing you.
Okay.
You liking this idea even more and more?
Yeah, this sounds fantastic. Thank you.
Here it is.
Titan.
Dollar General! Let's get in here and get a few things, a few necessities that we could not bring with us. Oh, I forgot the cooler. I was going to bring the cooler. Because you wanted to get ice.
I did.
Dollar General!
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Dollar General. Dollar General.
Yeah.
It's the General of Dollars. What are we doing for dinner tonight?
I have Campbell's Chunky with no beans, with beans, no home style. It's okay. I liked the with beans.
We're doing chili again. We're gonna try this. If it comes out looking like that, I'll be happy. It looks pretty good. Yeah, all done.
Can't wait for dinner.
Okay, so now we got to get everything out of the Jeep and set up over here, a little bit off camera. I'll get the camera turned around and point to that direction, but it's going to be a fantastic, it's supposed to be beautiful weather, nice relaxing camping experience this evening, and we're going to get to have a fire. I know she's excited about that. And on top of all that, we got hammocks. We're camping in this giant pop-up gazebo tonight. I love this thing. The wind is making this impossible to pull tight.
Alright, let me help you.
Remember how it gets set up?
Do I remember?
There we go.
Here, I have this one down here. Hold on, I'm gonna go in and pop the top up.
Bounce it there. Atta girl.
Oh. I don't see any Velcro on this one.
That's because it's the doors.
No, on the door I don't see any Velcro. Sun will be down soon.
I know, it looks so nice. The sky looks fantastic. Look at that. Hi, honey.
Hi.
You excited?
I'm hungry and I'm tired.
It's starting. Oh yeah. We'll be cooking in no time. You haven't done?
I am. My allergies are really bad. So I've been sneezing and sniffling and it's making me tired. So hopefully after chili, I'll be good.
I gotta get more wood. That's gonna burn through that pretty quick. What are you doing, dear?
I am cleaning this fork off so we can put hot doggies on it and maybe s'mores later.
Oh, I forgot about s'mores.
Yeah, I brought all that stuff.
They had to do surgery on old Reliable's box.
Yep.
It literally like disintegrated and fell into pieces. And I like to be able to put the stove back when we're done. As this has been a piece of equipment that has been in our kit for what, like 4 years, 5 years?
2021, 2020, yeah. I'm gonna go put my jacket on. I feel nice and warm now. Alrighty, I brought a spoon thing too for it.
Oh my goodness, smell that.
Smells good. Smells better than the other stuff we got.
This stuff smells pretty darn good.
Ooh, looks good. Yeah.
We are chili fanatics.
Yep.
I love this Jeep. It's so versatile. Okay. While she cooks this, I'm gonna go cook hot dogs, I think.
Are you doing a plate
No, where's the camp fork?
right here?
Dogs are about done.
Okay.
Dogs are beautiful.
Good. Chili is good. I'm gonna make my bowl. I have Fritos and cheese.
What concoction are you making there, dear?
I'm making Frito pie with hot dogs. Sounds good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Our little stove do okay?
It did wonderfully, yeah.
I, on the other hand, will be making delicious chili dogs. So?
I made chili Frito pie stuff.
Got my hot dog buns. It's got to be sharp cheddar, of course. When dealing with the hot dog variety. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make when making chili dogs, too much topping makes it difficult to eat. I just do a little tiny amount on each one, and that is more than sufficient. Get all the taste, all the flavor, none of the mess. I went ahead and made myself a bowl of delicious chili as well. Oh, that's good chili.
I think it's pretty good.
There's a good bit of chili here.
That's really good. That's one of my favorite meals.
I love the sour cream.
I know. That was stupid. Didn't we watch a stupid scary movie one time when we went camping?
Mm-hmm.
Like Disturbia or something. I think I have a flashlight.
You got a flashlight?
A little one. Oh, it works.
Did you ask your dad?
Yeah, I said, hey, do you have a flashlight I could borrow? And he said, yeah, there should be one on the counter. And there was.
Alright, let's get back to camp. Well, we didn't get it quite finished, but we made some good progress.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of difficult to see the pieces with the low light because we've only got just one sorry little light bulb.
Yeah.
More light next time.
Yes.
We got the heater going. It's plenty hot in here. There's plenty of ventilation. We got a hole there, and then on the other side, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but there's a hole right here that's open to let air come in too. So, plenty of ventilation. We're gonna go hang out on the Jeep, let the phone charge, watch some things on YouTube, and then probably go to bed.
Yeah.
We will see you maybe in the morning unless something interesting happens.
Bye-bye.
Can't complain about the view this morning. Good morning. not a bad sleep. Not a bad sleep at all last night. I'm gonna go climb in the tent, see how Darcy's doing. It's probably warmer in there than it is in here. So, let's go do that. Our tent was getting ready to blow away, so I had to wake her up. So I moved her to the hammock. Hello, dear.
Hi.
Are you warmer now?
Yeah.
Can we take your glasses?
No.
Okay. Enjoy your warm hammock swing. Disaster has struck. Disaster has struck. We didn't have enough steaks. Oh no. Oh no. Got it all cleaned up. All packed in the Jeep. Aside from these, because we're going to hang out in these for a little bit, I think, after we eat some breakfast. Hey, honey, where's Franklin? There he is! There's Franklin! Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Very successful camping trip. Oh, wait, here, Darcy.
Yep, that was fun.
Yeah. We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video and sub to the channel if you haven't done so already and you enjoy watching these kind of shenanigans. We will continue to do them. See you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Darcy says bye.